A lot of people headed out to the fair. How's that weather going to greet them, Eric?
Well, it's not too fair of fair weather for the fair. So today and tomorrow, we're beginning with some isolated showers and a chance of some embedded thunderstorms for today and tomorrow. Tomorrow, heading towards the evening time, much more likely for some showers to begin across East Idaho in general, and especially for Blackfoot as well. The wettest time period will be Sunday heading into Monday. Monday, Blackfoot, East Idaho Fair. Weather will clear up as Monday moves on, and by Monday is over, we should be seeing much more of the sky. Especially on Tuesday, we'll see much more of the sky, much more of that sun. It will get a bit colder for that high temperature on Monday, dropping down to 63 degrees. That low pressure over Oregon, Washington will move over us, and it's swinging a cold front, and behind that cold front is colder air mass. A front is a boundary between two air masses. So that's the situation for the weekend. Hopefully we make the best of it. Most widespread coverage will be on Sunday and heading into Monday. For today and tomorrow, isolated spots of showers, a few embedded thunderstorms are in there, looking at up to an inch throughout the whole weekend.
Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Eric Ash.
Today marks the beginning of that period of active weather for the long weekend. Today, Snake River Valley temperatures similar to yesterday, mid-80s for the high. Breeze will pick up pretty quickly as the morning continues and afternoon, and our breeze will stay strong, looking at 20 to 30 miles per hour for most of us, and will stay strong throughout the next few days. Highs for the Central Mountains in the 80s, a little bit of the upper 70s. Eastern Highlands also more so in the 70s. Yellowstone has a high of 69. Tonight for the Snake River Plain, any isolated showers from the daytime will lessen up in number as the night progresses into the overnight hours, but will pick up again in number tomorrow. Tonight for the Central Mountains, temperatures for the lows, mostly in the lower half of the 50s, except Stanley has a low of 43. Tonight for the Eastern Highlands, 40s and low 50s for the low. Yellowstone at 41. Now, here's your Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast. Pocatello, a high of 84 today, marking the beginning of some isolated showers coming up from the south. Monsoonal moisture is making its wave into our area, and then low pressure will be over us Saturday, Sunday into Monday, mostly Sunday. Sunday and a little bit into Monday is going to be the wettest, most active, most widespread of rain and thunderstorm activity. Possible rainfall amount for the weekend can be as high as 1 inch, but localized rain clouds can produce possibly up to 2 inches at most. This is total rainfall for the whole period of active weather over the next 3 to 4 days. For the Rexburg area, similar conditions as well, period of active weather, and this is all across East Idaho. Central Mountains, just a bit more coverage and a bit more time of having rainfall and thunderstorm activity, especially in the elevated areas. Your temperatures will be cooling a bit down to 66 degrees for a high on Monday. Next week, after Labor Day and tapering off onto Tuesday as well for the rest of us, we are looking at and will expect fair weather. Late next week, being this far out, could shift a day or so, but late next week does look like we might have some areas of low pressure move to the north of us. So being this far out is a chance that might change into moving over our area. That's for late next week. Temperatures for the Teton area going from the 70s and then bumping down pretty cold, 57 degrees. 57 on Monday. There's a cold front swinging through the area. That low pressure swinging a cold front with it, and behind that cold front is colder air.